Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we talked about, of course, a media player called VLC or Video LAN. And you might be wondering, because if you install it in Windows 10, it might not be the default app for video playback. So is there a way to actually say or tell your computer, I want to have that VLC as my default media player? Two things you can do about it. First of all, you can go into your settings. So if you go into your settings, whoops, I changed the size of the icons. If you go into your settings, and there you go into apps. On the left side of your screen, you've got default apps. Click on default apps. And on default apps, you will see music player and you will see video player. You can click there and you can choose the app that you want. I want to have VLC Media Player. I'll click here and it's going to be the default music player from now on. Video player, same thing. You simply click and choose your favorite media player, in this case, like I said, VLC. It might take a little bit of time because sometimes it needs to apply changes everywhere on all the system, but once it's done, you'll see that the default music player and video player are now VLC Media Player. Of course, it applies to every other program you might want to have. Now, another thing you can do, if the player is not the default player you want with some audio or video file, what you can do in Windows 10 is also right-click. And here, if you right-click on your video or audio file, you can actually go to Open With. But instead of clicking Media Player, because it might open just once, choose another app. In here, click your favorite app and put a check mark to say, yeah, always open these types of files with this. And you click OK, which will apply this to this when every video. So you see here one of my videos is actually playing. You know you succeeded because the files will all have a orange cone like you see here, and that means it worked. You did a good job. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.